up, everybody? It's your boy, Kelly Katana. Today's video, who would win between Chase on Two Wheels Triumph motorcycle versus Yummir6 Lotus? Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As you know, past weekend, Yummy and Chase had their moto meetup, and I'm gonna have more videos of that later. But I just kind of wanted to let you know that they raced his bike versus his car. Well, bike versus car, and here's what happened. Only like 2 people knew about it, so they kind of like dipped out, you know, when no one knew. And I put Chase's, I let Chase use my cameras to record it. So here's what happened.
Love you. Yeah. I'm not going over 60.
Yeah, just watch him too.
Oh, trust me, yeah.
Got him! Got him!
Got him. Do you really think I was going to let y'all know who won that race between those two? No. Yes, I could have told you, I could have shown you the whole footage of who won or not, but the only reason why I'm not doing it is because I'm doing it out of respect. Because yes, he used my equipment, but it is his footage. So if he decides that he wants to show who won or lost or whatever you want to call it, I'm gonna leave it up to Chase and Yummy. I'm not gonna post it on my channel when it's his content. That to me is a form of disrespect. I mean, I feel like, yeah, I'm a small channel, yeah, it's not a big deal, you know, but I'm not that type of person, you know. Yeah, would I get a view? Would I get a lot of views? Yes. Would I get a couple of subscribers probably? Yes. But is those things worth potentially losing, you know, future collaborations with Chase and Yummy? No, it's not worth it at all. And also, I'm not that type of guy. I'm not the type of guy who's gonna, you know, use other people's stuff, you know, especially people like in the moto vlog community, to hype myself up. You know, if it takes me 20 years to get to 100,000 or whatever, then it takes 20 years. But I'm not gonna, you know, cheat my way up there. I'm gonna do it the right way, you know, do it the fair way, do it the way it should be done. Yeah, I'm gonna let him show the footage of what happened on that race. I think he said he's gonna put it out on Friday, so you check out Chase on Two Wheels Friday for the results of that race.